Thank you for clicking. Today we're flipping a 2007 Toyota Camry.
Here it is, 120,000 miles. It was listed as hail damage. Well, I don't think this was hail damage. I think it was the girlfriend was mad at me damage, and it was a rear end accident car. It came without the bumper, but was actually inside the trunk, so I just simply applied it on very quick. It looks like nothing looks too bad from back here, but here's the damage right here. So it was also a side damage. I think just some bondo or maybe pulling it. We'll see what the body guy charged us for this right here. I already got the side mirror to fix this crack on the front bumper. I don't know if you can see that, but this car has no lights on the dash. It did have a maintenance required light, and it was leaking hell of oil. It is not the cleanest car, so it is going to need a detail. I am going to take that into expense, and to probably polish the whole car, because you guys can't see it in the video that well. This paint literally lost all its shine, all right? So I don't like that. So I want to make sure I can sell this car for a high dollar, due to the fact that it has 120,000 miles.
Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and see what the body guy quotes me. I'm pretty sure he's gonna give me a pretty good price. He always gives me cheap prices for decent, good quality work, all right? So anyways, leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, do everything to show some love, join the car flipping journey, and hopes that you guys can also flip some cars yourselves and make some money moves, all right? Anyways, let's go ahead and get the price and let's get to fixing. Let's go.
If I remember correctly, he wanted to charge me $1,350 or $1,500 to fix the whole car, all right? But I said no and only told him to do the rear passenger door and the pillar side, because I did want the front and rear and the two doors right there and this pillar to be fixed. My budget was around like $1,000, so I just declined and just told him to do that. And he also called up someone that can do the front windshield for $180, but not a bad deal. So I should get the car once it's done, and let's see how it looks.
All right, guys, the car is done. I got charged $600. Let me show you the repairs. Here is the pillar, painted and clear coated. And here's the damage to the door, bondoed and pulled. I didn't repair this dent, which is the driver's side door. I didn't repair the front bumper crack. And I didn't repair the defects on the rear bumper, only due to the fact I didn't want to pay more than $1,000 on repairs. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the paint is super dull. Let me show you. So when I got this car, the clear coat was in very bad condition, and it still is. This is how it should look. I did just wash it, as you guys can see right there, but this whole area was repaired and it should look like that, and I'm gonna try my best attempt to do that. By my best attempt, I mean by using these foams. I am going to be polishing this car, as you guys can see. I'm gonna polish the whole car. So let's see how it turns out. This will be my second time polishing the car. The first time was like my first car ever, and I didn't know how to do it really well. But this time I should have a little bit more practice. So let's see how it goes. All right, it is the next day. I wanted to record last night, but you guys wouldn't see what I'm talking about. Let me show you.
I could have done a little bit better, but definitely you can tell the night and day difference, because when I first got this car, the whole paint was dulled out, and look at the hood, it is nice and shiny. It wasn't like that. It was literally, not over exaggerating, like the shine of this tire.
So the interior is super dirty, but I got some bad news.
So as you can see, I'm already detailing, but let me go ahead and show you. So I was driving this car around and the battery light came on.
All right, so the alternator is bad. I already tested the battery. It is a good battery, but the voltage is telling me that it's not even charging.
So this is what's gonna get pulled out. I'm gonna change it out, maybe find someone to replace it for me for the same amount the alternator cost.
So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. Quick time lapse. I'm just gonna clean the car and go to the mechanic shop and see how much I get charged. Let's go.
All right, like I said, the seats and the carpet did have a few stains, as you can see in the video footage right here. And I did look at the back seats. I did see like this imprint of a baby car seat, so I'm assuming this driver was a mom. Therefore, the back seats were actually super dirty. And, you know, I did clean it up, vacuum extracted, power wash and everything. And I did take it to the mechanic shop. I got charged $180 for the alternator, and that's it.
All right, I'm at the park. The car is done, all right? I did one final polish, replaced 2 of the tires. Everything is done with this car. Let me show you.
Here it is. Like I said, the A-pillar and the quarter panel is already finished. 2 front new tires. Well, it was used ones for the tire shop. But yeah, all the numbers are on the screen. I put it up. It looks all nice and shiny and bright. looks like this car is gonna be a successful flip. At least that's what I'm expecting, because this thing looks like it has 120k miles now. It is not dogged out. It is not all stained up. I did my best that I could with trying to make it look as brand new as possible. As you guys can see, I did my best job in trying to clean up this carpet up.
So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and post it on Facebook. I put all the pictures on the screen. Let's see how much I can get for this car. All right, so I'm planning to post this to 5,300. I'm gonna try to be the cheapest one in the market. But anyways, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and do everything to show some love, guys. And let's see how it goes. Let's go. Alright, so the 2007 white Camry sold for $5,000 for a profit of $1,000. Alright, so this buyer was from Kentucky, and the good news is that they have to pay sales tax at their state and not here in Tennessee. So therefore, I was able to close in $1,000 profit with this car. Alright, I think I might have made a little bit more, but I put it on the screen how much I made. Not a bad deal. The only bad news is that I did wait a month to sell this car. I usually don't even wait that long, but I did cut a deal because I was gonna sell 2 cars that day. It was gonna be the white one and the black one, but you guys need to see that video in the future. It's gonna be the next video, which is the black Camry. That one almost went wrong, but I'm gonna be sure I secure the bag on that one too this upcoming Monday. Right now is Tuesday, so I have to wait a full week for that black Camry to sell. But the white Camry, it was no problem. You guys saw the whole process. It's just a waiting time, alright? I'm assuming it's because the color is white and the front bumper was cracked and that door was dented. So I did scare a lot of buyers leaving the damage like that. But good thing I didn't spend too much because I wouldn't have been able to make $1,000. So anyways, guys, please leave a like, subscribe. You guys are going to love the next video. Please watch that video. A bunch of crazy stuff has been going on this past month. I know I haven't posted a video in 3 weeks, but guys, I'm telling you, stuff literally went wrong, but I turned things around to make sure it went right. Alright, so please stay tuned for the next few videos. It's gonna be a black Camry and a Civic, alright, which is insane. Alright, anyways, I see you guys there. Like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell, guys, show some love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.